got this in the mail today. I got a personal message on YouTube about a month ago, maybe a month and a half ago, saying we see your videos on YouTube all the time and we think this company has something you might like. Go ahead and check it out, and if it is, let them know. They have one for you to try out. I just had to sign a paper to do a few videos for them, which is not a problem because I mean I do the videos anyway. But I had to send them the year of my truck, the make of my truck, the size of the bed from there to here, measure with the custom bed liner that it has. It's got a factory bed liner, and from here to here, here to here, diagonal and depth. And they made this up. So I have just now opened the box, and first time. So I'm going to put this on a tripod right over there, and you're going to watch me figure out how it goes up and what it looks like. You're going to watch me figure out how it goes together and see what it looks like. 13 series. The interior looks like this. It's a full tent. It has a bottom and everything. It's even got, I believe it even has a, this is without the Rainfly, this is with the Rainfly. Pretty neat, really neat. So I'm going, believe it or not, I have tickets to a journey cover band 320 miles north of here. And I'm going with a friend of mine from Long Beach, and she and I will be staying in this. Sleeps 2 adults. 5 foot by whatever the truck is, I believe it's 6. Celebrating 25 years since 1990. Napier. I have seen them, I believe, at Bass Pro. I believe. So there it is. Pretty cool. Look at that. It's got a snap here attachment for the Rainfly. Click here for the Rainfly. No seam and the privacy. Rainfly just comes down and goes into these pockets. The one pole just connects there at the top. See inside. Okay, look at this. So even if it rains, the rain does not come inside here. I'll put the Rainfly in real quick. There was that little thing there. I could set my TH10 up there with the little, my Thunite TH10 with the little plastic thing on it for a lamp, or there's a lamp hanger. I put it right there, I can put my keys and everything on top of that, and it'd be great. This is with the Rainfly. Now it took me a while to put it up, mainly because it's my first time. Oh, okay, my head's all the way to one side. My feet, I've got another foot of room down there. There's plenty of room for 2 people. Plenty of room. I will be spending many nights in this summer. Many nights. I'm gonna take this up to the East Fork, have a little tailgate party, some tailgate action out there. I'll make an announcement on YouTube or Facebook or both that I'm gonna be up there one of these Friday nights and just kick back up there. I'll let some of the old retired and some of the laid off Rangers know. Maybe they'll stop by and share a little bit of their inside of the mountain with us. Now I'll show you it closed up. Look at that, it's fully waterproof. There's no way anything can leak in. You're over the top, so the water's gonna be coming off. There's with both the no-see mesh and the door itself. Now I could easily take my Hennessy hex tarp and hook one into the back, even over the top to the bumper if I have to, and then bring it straight out here down at an angle to about 4 feet with a pole, come off each side, have myself some chairs, sit out here on my patio, wait out the rain. Pretty neat. So again, I want to thank Napier for sending me this, and I guarantee you it's going to go to good use. Look at that, the camper shell without the camper shell. It's camper shell positives without all the camper shell negatives. You can pull it off in about 5-10 minutes. Throw some motorcycles in the back or all your fishing gear. It seems like this pole is a little bit long. It's a little bit of, maybe when it stretches and when the fabric stretches and things. But I will get all the bugs worked out of it. Very cool. Okay, you can roll this. You can roll this up and hook it in there. You can roll them both up. That's what it is. You can roll these both up and hook it with these and have it tucked under, up, out of the way.